How to update profile info in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, look for your profile icon or avatar, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your profile settings. Now inside your profile page, you will see various options like your user ID, avatar, and other editable fields depending on your login type, whether you are signed in as a guest or through Facebook. To change your display name or avatar, just tap on the pencil icon next to the field you want to edit. If it's your name, just type in the new name and confirm. If it's the avatar, you might see a set of icons or characters to choose from. Make sure the changes reflect correctly on your screen. You can always come back later to update more details if needed. Once you are done making changes, make sure to save or confirm before exiting. That's all you need to do to successfully update your profile info. Now you know how to update profile info in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.